Yeah, Clayton.
What?
You know, did you know if all the Mexicans left Mexico, there would be no Mexicans?
No, I guess so, yeah.
Doesn't it make sense?
Wow.
Because, you know, if all the Mexicans left Mexico, there'd be no Mexicans because they'd all be out of Mexico. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, makes sense.
I know. I should just totally, like, be a philosopher and say, like, smart stuff all the time. Because I just said something smart, don't you think? Too smart.
Yeah. Over the top smart.
I know. I'm a genius. I should be, like...
Have a genius.
I don't even know. Like, oh my gosh, just right now. Yep. If I'm Mexican with Mexico, there'd be no Mexican. I'm just so smart.